Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Z-League mobile. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Z-League application. Now click on your profile icon at the top right corner. When you click on your profile icon, this will bring up this pop-up from the bottom. Click on the gear icon just at the top of this pop-up. Now you will see your wallet balance, total balance, withdrawable balance and transactions. So on this page, you will see the cash out button located just under your account balance. But I don't have that cash out button because my total balance is not under the withdrawable limit. Also, my ID is not verified. So in order to cash out, you will need to have a verified ID that should be a valid government issued ID. Also, there are two fees for cashing out, a processing fee and a PayPal fee. The processing fee is $2 and the PayPal fee varies based on the cash out amount and your location. So you will see the cash out button just right here. After you do the cash out, you will see the cash out history in the all transaction section. So that's the simple way you can withdraw money from Z-League Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.